The Crocodile's Caretaker. A thief escapes from the jail and runs away into an isolated island. There, he comes across a crocodile in pain because of the nails in his feet. The brave thief gently removed the nails. The crocodile left without hurting him. One day, the hunters came to get wild animals. They placed all the animals inside the cages and sold them in the village. The tribal chief bought the animals for his village. The village soldiers captured the thief and threw him in the crocodile's lair. The thief begs for his life. 1 month has passed, but still the crocodile didn't eat the thief. The thief realized that it was the same crocodile that he helped on the isolated island. The tribal chief forgave the thief and asked him to become the crocodile's caretaker.